Here is the quiz code for National Counselor's Mental Health Counseling Exam through Mometrix. These quiz codes are for the month of October. They will expire October the 31st, so make sure that you get these codes in and make sure if you haven't already liked and subscribed so that way next month in November you will get the notification when the new codes do come out, and I will be adding more. I appreciate everyone's patience. I'm so happy for those who have passed and those who are still continuing to push forward no matter what if they did not pass. I know it's hard, but you got this. And I'm so proud of you, and you are amazing. Okay. And happy studying to everyone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as I can.